What if electricity stopped working for a month? Imagine a world suddenly devoid of the silent hum of refrigerators, the glow of televisions, the constant connectivity of smartphones. Our modern world, so reliant on the invisible force of electricity, would be thrust into an unfamiliar darkness, a stark reminder of our utter dependence on this invisible power source. The initial shock would be profound, a global moment of disbelief as the realization dawns. The power isn't coming back on. The convenience we take for granted, from instant communication to the effortless flow of information, would vanish. The world as we know it, sculpted by the invisible hand of electricity, would begin to unravel. Yet within this unsettling scenario lies a powerful opportunity to reevaluate our relationship with technology, to confront our vulnerabilities, and to rediscover the resilience that lies at the heart of humanity. Join us as we venture into this hypothetical future, exploring the cascading consequences of a month without electricity and uncovering the enduring power of human ingenuity. The immediate impact of a global blackout would be chaos. Without refrigeration, food would quickly spoil, leading to shortages and potential health risks. Communication networks would collapse, severing the lifeline of instant information and global connectivity. Families and friends separated by distance would be left incommunicado, their anxieties amplified by the lack of information. Transportation systems would grind to a halt, stranding commuters and disrupting supply chains. Hospitals reliant on electricity for life-saving equipment would face dire situations, forced to rely on backup generators with limited lifespans. The familiar rhythms of daily life, orchestrated by the steady pulse of electricity, would be replaced by uncertainty and fear, forcing individuals and communities to confront their vulnerability in a world suddenly stripped bare. The digital age, built on a foundation of uninterrupted power, would experience a complete shutdown. The internet, our window to the world, would go dark, severing access to information, communication, and entertainment. Social media platforms, once vibrant hubs of connection, would fall silent, their virtual communities plunged into isolation. Online banking systems would cease to function, freezing transactions and disrupting the global economy. The reliance on digital storage would prove disastrous as countless files, documents, and memories become inaccessible. The interconnected web of our digital lives, woven with intricate strands of data and code, would unravel, leaving behind a void of information and a profound sense of disconnection. The conveniences of the digital age, once taken for granted, would become stark reminders of our dependence on the invisible currents of electricity. The impact on global industries would be catastrophic. Manufacturing plants, reliant on automated systems and assembly lines powered by electricity, would fall silent. Production would cease, supply chains would crumble, and the global marketplace would grind to a halt. Financial markets, operating on a foundation of high-speed transactions and interconnected networks, would be thrown into turmoil. Stock exchanges would freeze, currencies would fluctuate wildly, and the delicate balance of the global economy would be shattered. Entertainment industries, from streaming services to movie theaters, would be forced to go dark, leaving a void in the cultural landscape. The interwoven fabric of the global economy, held together by the threads of electricity, would unravel, revealing the fragility of our interconnected world. Yet, amidst this chaos and disruption, humanity's remarkable capacity for adaptation would emerge. Communities would come together, sharing resources, knowledge, and support. The reliance on local networks would be revitalized, fostering a spirit of cooperation and resilience. Alternative forms of energy, from solar power to wind turbines, would gain new significance, providing a glimmer of light in the darkness. We would witness a resurgence of traditional skills and practices, a rediscovery of forgotten knowledge passed down through generations. People would learn to entertain themselves without screens, to communicate without the internet, and to find solace in the company of their loved ones. This forced disconnection from the digital world could foster a renewed appreciation for the simple things in life, for the power of human connection, and for the resilience of the human spirit. The experience of a month without electricity, though disruptive and challenging, would serve as a powerful reminder of our vulnerability and our capacity for innovation. It would underscore the need for diversified energy sources, for resilient infrastructure, and for a greater awareness of our dependence on technology. This hypothetical scenario offers a glimpse into a future that, while unsettling, holds the potential for positive change. It highlights the importance of investing in renewable energy sources, of developing sustainable technologies, and of fostering a spirit of global cooperation to address the challenges facing humanity. The darkness, though daunting, could ultimately illuminate a path towards a more resilient and sustainable future, a future where the flickering flame of human ingenuity continues to burn bright, even in the absence of electricity.